Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. This is the maiden flight of the E-FLITE 80mm F-16 bind and fly. This is not a maiden flight for this plane, but maiden flight for me. I just got back from, funny story, I got on vacation, went to Arkansas to move my son to Springfield, Illinois. Promptly got to Springfield, Illinois, got him all moved in, still had a week or so of vacation left, and I developed an earache, and this was on a Saturday, and I'm like, honey, we got him all moved in. I said, I feel like crap. I said, take me to a walk-in clinic. Walk into a walk-in clinic on a Saturday, they said, oh yeah, you've got a really bad inner ear infection, and you've got COVID, full-blown. You got to be isolated for 5 days. I'm like, I got 7 days of vacation left. Well, you're going to spend 5 of them in a motel. Great. So, that's what we did. And then that night, my wife started hacking her cough. We took her to the walk-in clinic, same one. They're like, y'all are back. I said, test her. Yep, she's full-blown too. So, me and my wife spent basically 4 or 5 days in a motel. And they said, take the Pax COVID, whatever that special medicine you take. And within 3 days, we both lost our symptoms, started feeling great. On the 4th day, we said, oh yeah, they say just stay in your car, you know, started traveling. And by the 5th day, we said, well, we got 2 days of vacation left. So we spent 1 day going through the mountains and 1 day coming home. And I stopped at Atlanta RC in Cummings, Georgia, which is right outside of Atlanta, and found this on consignment. Now this is a $599 jet. It's the owner's. The guy working there says, look, he has flown that thing twice. It only had 1 set of missiles that were good, but everything else is perfect. Bind and fly, I tested everything there. Everything works perfectly. And I can look at the foam and have enough experience with these planes. This thing is brand new. And I got it for 450 bucks. I mean, it's normally $600. I got $150 off the price. And I was a happy camper. I didn't get the missiles, but only got 1 set, but that's okay. Not a complete set. But we're going to do the maiden. Spent the evening, got her all, when I got home, or the night before, or last night, got her all set up. Just a straight setup. No flapper-ons, just regular plain Jane setup. Oh, I say the RC Geek says he likes 100% throws and his expo. I like 30% expo, but he said that's the way he flies it in. To put the 5,000 as far back as you can get it. And to me, that makes it a little tail heavy, but then again, jets, you know. And that's what everybody says. I watched 3 or 4 videos of people I trust, and they said, put that 5,000 all the way back. And I'm like, okay. So right, left, up, down, right, left, and I have reverse thrust. 3.5 minutes. Let's get her turned around. Let's put her in the sky. Okay, got to take off that direction. It also had the E-FLITE afterburner, which is a joke as far as I'm concerned. I'll probably take that out and put one of my good old KM models afterburner in it, but it came with it, and that's a $25 upgrade, or $30 upgrade I didn't have to pay for. Up, down, right, left, right, left. All right. 3.5 minutes, maiden flight, F-16, 80mm. Here we go. Get her up on step there. Ah! Oh, it went down, and the reason it went down, I lost my orientation. I couldn't tell if I was that way or if I was this way, and I turned it the wrong way. Oh. There was nothing wrong with it. Not a thing wrong with it. Not a thing wrong with it. I lost my orientation. I thought I was turning it back this way, but I was going this way. Oh man. Oh man. That's $450. 450 bucks. Now I gotta go march in the snakes to at least recover the battery, because I don't want to catch a fire. Oh man. Well, cut the film and we'll resume when I bring the wreckage. Oh.